Hi, in this video, I will show you how to connect to Kebnekaise by using VScode. So VScode or Visual Studio Code is a popular code editor that is available on Linux, Mac, and Windows. Here, for instance, I'm running the Windows version, and here are a set of files that are available on my local machine. So what I could also get access to the files that are on Kebnekaise. For doing that, first, we will need to install the remote SSH plugin. So go to extensions and then install remote SSH. And once this is done, you go to view, command palette, and then type open SSH configuration file and select this option here. Then you will see the configuration file, which is at this location in my home directory and .ssh and config. So this will open the configuration file, and I added these lines here. Host, this is a keyword for the configuration file, and Kebnekaise is just a name that I will give for to this server. The host name is the long name for the server. In this case, it's kebnekaise.hpc2n.umu.se. The username is my username here. Notice that you are not allowed to connect by using SSH keys. So you will need to type your password always. Okay, so once we have done these steps, we go to, please save the configuration file after doing these modifications. After doing this, go to this corner here and select connect to host. And then choose Kebnekaise. So this will ask you for your password, and I will type mine. And as you can see here, you are now connected to Kebnekaise. So if you decide to open a file, so this window here will be for your host, and this one will be for Kebnekaise. So we can open a file, and you can see that now you are on the Kebnekaise file system. So I hope this helps. Thank you.